What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at an absolute icon of American driveways. If you are looking for an SUV that offers unbeatable visibility, incredible practical storage, and legendary all-weather confidence without making you pay luxury brand prices, this machine should be right at the top of your list. This is the new 2026 Subaru Forester. Subaru has built a massive cult following across the United States by giving outdoorsy families, commuters, and weekend adventurers exactly what they need: simple usability, top-tier safety, and a real-deal all-wheel drive system that never misses a beat. For the 2026 model year, the Forester doubles down on those core strengths, refining its cabin quietness, sharpening its exterior design, and adding powerful hybrid options to the lineup. In this complete breakdown, we are going to dive deep into its daily functions, mechanical specs, interior technology, and the official pricing structure for the United States market. Let's get right into it. Let's start with the exterior design and structural utility. The 2026 Forester stays true to its signature boxy silhouette, which gives it one of the absolute best outward visibility profiles in the entire compact crossover segment. Up front, you get a restyled, bold front grille paired with steering responsive LED headlights that pivot into corners as you turn the wheel at night. Around the body, heavy-duty protective cladding shields the paint from gravel, road salt, and stray trail debris. One of its biggest daily functional advantages is ground clearance. Every standard model comes out of the factory with a massive 8.7 inches of ground clearance, while the off-road focused wilderness trim steps that up to 9.2 inches. Raised roof rails come standard, making it effortless to mount kayak racks, cargo boxes, or roof tents for weekend camping trips. Around the back, the rear gate opening is extra wide and square, allowing you to load bulky coolers, pet crates, or golf bags without awkward angling. Under the hood, Subaru gives US buyers two distinct powertrain choices. The standard engine across the traditional lineup is a 2.5-liter Subaru Boxer 4-cylinder engine generating 180 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. This is paired with an updated Lineartronic, continuously variable transmission that features smoother, quieter operation and simulated gear shifts under heavy throttle. For buyers seeking extra power and game-changing efficiency, the 2026 lineup introduces a highly efficient hybrid option that pairs the 2.5-liter Boxer engine with an electric motor to boost output to 194 horsepower. Of course, every single 2026 Forester comes standard with Subaru's famous symmetrical all-wheel drive. Unlike many competitors that rely on front-wheel drive until slippage occurs, Subaru's full-time system sends continuous power to all four wheels, giving you instant grip on rain-slicked highways, mud, or deep winter snow. Upper trims also feature dual-function X mode with hill descent control, allowing you to select specific terrain settings for deep snow, mud, or loose dirt. In terms of real-world fuel economy, the standard gas-powered Forester delivers a solid EPA estimated 25 miles per gallon in the city and up to 32 miles per gallon on the highway. The hybrid models push those numbers even further, giving suburban commuters an eco-friendly option that dramatically cuts down weekly stops at the gas pump. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Forester focuses on rugged comfort, practical technology, and massive interior space. Step inside, and you are greeted by an available, portrait-oriented 11.6-inch high-definition central touchscreen running the latest Subaru Starlink multimedia system. It includes wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto as standard on higher trims, alongside a wireless phone charging pad and multiple USB-A and USB-C ports for front and rear passengers. For comfort, available features include a panoramic power moonroof, a heated steering wheel, heated front and rear seats, and ventilated front seats on the top-tier touring model. Cargo space is where the Forester dominates. You get up to 74.4 cubic feet of total cargo volume with the rear seats folded down flat, easily accommodating mountain bikes, home improvement supplies, or a full family vacation haul. Safety remains Subaru's ultimate calling card, and every 2026 Forester comes standard with the upgraded EyeSight driver assist technology. This wide-angle camera-based system includes pre-collision braking, adaptive cruise control with lane centering, lane departure warning, and automatic emergency steering. Available safety features also include blind spot detection, rear cross-traffic alert, a 360-degree surround view monitor, and the driver-focused distraction mitigation system, which alerts you if you take your eyes off the road. Let's break down the official manufacturers. Suggested retail price structure for the United States market. Because Subaru is known for offering incredible value, the pricing remains highly competitive across the entire range. The standard entry-level Forester base starts right around $29,995. Moving up to the popular premium trim, which adds the 11.6-inch screen, keyless access, and a panoramic moonroof, brings the starting price to approximately $33,445 including destination charges. The bold sport trim, featuring 19-inch bronze finish wheels, dual-function X mode, and water-repellent StarTech seats, comes in at roughly $36,245. If you want luxury touches like full leather upholstery, the limited trim starts around $37,445. The rugged, trail-ready Forester Wilderness, equipped with raised suspension, underbody skid plates, and all-terrain tires, starts at $38,445. Finally, the fully loaded touring trim, complete with an 11-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, tops out the gas lineup at $41,445, with hybrid trim variants ranging from $36,180 up to $42,995. The 2026 Subaru Forester continues to be an absolute home run for crossover buyers in North America. It delivers rock-solid build quality, elite safety scores, genuine off-road hardware, and versatile space at a price point that makes sense for real families. What do you guys think? Would you stick with the classic gas-powered Forester, or would you upgrade to the new hybrid version for that extra fuel savings? Let me know your thoughts in the comments section down below. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit that like button, smash subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another premium automotive deep dive. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.